Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, so today is all about refreshing your wash and go and how to recover day 2, day 3, and beyond. Because my hair is shorter, I do the banding method at night versus the pineapple method because one pineapple just wouldn't work. Even if it did, one pineapple can tend to create a lot of frizz and matting for me. So personally, separating my hair into mini pineapples has always been the best way to preserve a wash and go. If your hair is longer and thicker, use a regular elastic hairband. If you can, use one that's a little bit thinner so that way you don't get creasing. It's much easier to refresh when your hair is in this mini section. So all we're gonna do is pull off one rubber band, just like that, and to open and fluff the hair and just kind of find what curls need to be refreshed because you might not need to do the whole thing. All right, so if your hair is anything like mine, when you're refreshing and you spray it with just water, it tends to just get really flat and lose all the curl definition. So I'm just gonna show you really quickly what I do. So here we have this section, and as you can see, it's pretty flat, pretty dry, doesn't have a lot of curl definition at all. So we're gonna start with a little bit of water in a spray bottle, and this does have a pump or two of leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna take and begin to spray only at the root, okay? So I'm spraying right there at the root only. And then I'll be using the orange marmalade gel to reapply or as a styler. So I'm just gonna take about this much. My root is wet. I'm gonna pull the hair down and begin to work that gel only at your root. Then what you can do, as you can see, we begin to bring the curl back to life without completely losing the body. Of course, your roots are going to be wet, but it still has a little bit of movement. Same thing, we have this curl here. We're going to spray the root, take a tiny bit of gel, and just gently gloss over it. All right, so here's another one. Super frizzy. So I'm gonna spray at the root. You don't want to spray the whole hair shaft because that's just gonna automatically collapse the hair and just make it look really stringy. Then take a tiny bit of your gel just at the root and gently glide down. Now with this one, you can twirl in the direction of the curl, and there's that. So remember, only spray water on the individual curls that need it. Do not spray water all over because you will create frizz. Here's another one. Now at the top, I don't use as much water really as needed. I take a little bit of that orange marmalade gel, just kind of run it along the curl, and that's it. All right, so this is what it's looking like now. And all you do is kind of separate the curls, see where everything should go. And then if you have any little frizzy ones, add some gel. For all my girls that have been buying the EcoSlay products, first of all, I love you and appreciate you. Thank you so much. Order that I use them in for my wash and go. So I use the rice pudding leave-in conditioner first. I use the Jello shot gel on top of that for the wash and go. Day 2, 3, and beyond, that's when I go in with the orange marmalade gel. It does have a little bit of a lighter hold. It's not as strong as the Jello shot gel, but it is a lot more moisturizing. Because remember, wash and goes do get dry as the days go on. So once you've reapplied all of your gel and your hair is to your liking, you can either let it air dry or you can sit under a hooded dryer or use a diffuser. If you decide to use heat, I would strongly recommend spraying your hair with your favorite heat protectant first because you can start to get heat damage using the blow dryer throughout the week on dry hair. Make sure that you're wrapping your hair every night with either a satin or silk scarf or pillowcase or bonnet. I personally love the banding method because it allows you, especially for my girls with tighter curls, it allows you to keep control of your hair. Pineapples can get way too wild. This is day 3 of the wash and go, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Love you.